Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Urvashi and I'm a foreign medical graduate. I have passed my FMGE exam with 200 plus marks, specifically 232 marks in my first attempt. Since then, I have been making YouTube videos, especially on FMGE as a topic, because I wanted to help other people out, other students out in this journey and through their preparation. Exams like NEET PG and FMGE, where the syllabus is so vast, these not only require hard work, but they mostly require smart study strategies. And I am here to help you out with that. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can prepare for FMG with rapid revision and to supplement this preparation with apps like Reflex Prep app and question banks, MCQ books, etc. So let's get into the video. One of the smart study strategies is to study from a revision course when you have limited amount of time, for example from rapid revision or other revision courses from other platforms. And mind you, almost every single day I am asked this particular question, whether in my comments or in my DMs: is rapid revision enough? My straightforward answer to that question is yes. Yes, rapid revision is enough, but there is always a but. There is a specific way to prepare from this rapid revision course in order to pass or even score 200 plus in your FMGE exam. So let's try to decode this. Firstly, if you want to study anything or even everything from rapid revision, the main thing to keep in mind is doing it once is not enough, obviously. So what do we have to do? We have to revise it at least 3 to 4 times. This means studying the entire course, or for example, if you choose to do one subject from rapid revision, then studying that one subject at least 4 times, 3 to 4 times thoroughly. It would include your first read of that particular subject or the entire course, which would include videos and notes together. And then after this first read, either 2 or 3 revisions. The amount of revisions that you can do after your first read will depend on the number of months you have or the amount of time that you have for your preparation. Because the big secret is basically that rapid revision is short enough that you can complete it in time for revisions. Even the syllabus is concise and to the point that you can revise the rapid revision course in with no difficulties. So repeating this important information again, if you are choosing to go for the rapid revision course, you have to study that, you have to complete it at least 3 to 4 times. Second thing, we should never forget the format of the exam. FMGE exam happens to be an MCQ based exam. So no matter how many times you have completed videos or notes or made your own notes with the rapid revision, it is not enough until and unless you supplement it with MCQs, with questions. This is not a theory exam, this is an MCQ based exam. You practically cannot and should not miss this part. MCQs are very important, and there are basically 2 types of MCQs. So one will be your previous year questions and previous year topics, and the second one would be MCQs for your practice. So they can be from your question bank or from an MCQ book, even the GTs that you practice. Now the minimum, the bare minimum that I ask you to cover from this will be previous year questions. Even if you do not have enough time to complete a subject, I recommend you to go through at least the previous year questions of that particular subject. And if you don't know where to do these previous year questions from, or if it is not organized enough anywhere in your app or in your books, that you don't know where exactly should I find these previous year questions, then I am going to tell you about this amazing app, Reflex Prep app. I have been talking about this app in my previous videos also, and I have been recommending this app because I personally have been using it and found it so helpful and so convenient to use. It is basically a question bank for previous year questions specifically, and you can buy this question bank separately. If you are aiming to go for this 6-month preparation, their 6-month pack is only rupees 599, which is so easy on the pocket. It is so affordable. It is a great investment, to be honest, because it has previous year questions for all the subjects with their explanations. The explanations are so to the point and short but simple enough for you to understand. They're like little fact points. Then you have notes also in this app. The notes are also for going through a topic very quickly. You can create tests also in this app. So it is basically a power tool which comes at a very fair price, to be honest. And we know that we cannot skip previous year questions, so we need something like this. Previous year questions form a big chunk of the questions in the test, and this year, July 2024, we saw that at least 70 questions, from what I saw on the recalls and from what I heard from my friends, at least 70 questions were previous year questions. So no chance of missing these. Then if you have time, which I think you will, you should go for MCQ practice from question banks or books like FMG Solutions. It has a mix of both previous year questions and a new style of questions for your practice. Then you can also go for timed practice through GTs. Now the trick even for MCQs is revising it at least twice. So doing one MCQ just once and thinking you'll remember it after 6 months during the exam, that is also not true. You'll have to keep revising your MCQs. I would recommend that you revise it as many times as you do the rapid revision course. In case if you don't have time, then at least twice you have to do previous year questions and MCQs from the MCQs for your practice. Okay guys, don't get overwhelmed. All of this might seem like it's too much to complete in the 6-month period, but let me tell you, it is very much possible. It is quite easy to complete all of this in 6 months, and all you need to do is to have a strict schedule and follow it consistently. And if you don't know how to make a schedule for yourself, or you need help with, say, how many days to give to one subject, what to do in the second revision, and so on and so forth, then I can help take all of that burden away from you by making a schedule for you. You can mail me on my email down below, and I will also include it in the description box, and I'll help you out with the schedule to keep you organized, to keep you disciplined, and the only thing you have to do is follow it consistently. So in summary, in conclusion, rapid revision is enough, yes, if you do it 4 times, 3 to 4 times actually, and if you supplement it with MCQs like previous year questions and MCQs for your practice at least 2 times. So this together will not only help you pass FMG, but also I can guarantee you that you might even score 200 plus marks, because guess what guys, I did the same. I followed this and scored 200 plus marks, so trust me on this. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful. If yes, then please do give it a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and share it with your friends who you think might need this. All the best for your studying. Happy studying. Bye. See you in the next one.